Today we learn English. So, dear student, open your English book and see on the page number 55 to 58. 2.6 lesson name Great Scientists Have a Questioning Mind. Assalamu alaikum. Today's work from home, dear student. I told some questions and an answer in this lesson. Listen carefully and then write down answer in your notebook and send me photo. First question, why are great scientists' mind resorts? Because there are many questions in their mind about the happenings in the surrounding. Question number 2, was Raman interested in arts? Answer, no, he was interested in science. Question number 3, what does one have to do to prove a theory scientifically? Answer, he has to conduct experiments in the laboratories, conduct research and search around himself and try to find the answers. Question number 4, what won Raman the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930? Answer, for his discovery of the Raman effect. Question number 5, why was 20th February declared as National Science Day? Answer, because Dr. Raman discovered the Raman effect on that day. So please, my dear student, write down in your notebook and then send me your photocopy. Thank you.